once again, I'm back in San Francisco with the fastest 72-volt 80-amp electric scooter, as you have already seen in my channel. Today, I'm out here for a long tour ride in San Francisco, going to many different places, as you will see. Stick around to see one of the fastest and heaviest scooter at nearly 200 pounds ride and handle in the real world. I really enjoy riding my scooter in San Francisco, as it gives me a sense of freedom of touring to any places I want, and the scenery is just so beautiful. By the way, I get a lot of attention and compliments for my scooter, but it's something that I'm used to it now. It's no surprise anyway. Anytime when I go on a long ride, I always attach the seat. This way I won't get too tired from standing, and I can sit whenever I want to. As you can see, I have a lot of pack on me and the scooter. Can you believe me? Today I'm carrying 4 different cameras, and you can guess what those cameras are. That would be my drone, Sony mirrorless camera, Insta360 One X, and the GoPro Black 7. My backpack is just fully packed, including my lunch. My scooter is just all rigged out with 2 cameras, 2 phone attachment, 2 pouch, 2 headlights, 2 side mirrors, and much more. As you can see, I have a steering stabilizer attached, but the scooter did not come in like this way. I had to do a customized attachment. I can do another separate video on how you can attach the steering stabilizer to your scooter, similar to mine. The handling before the steering stabilizer was installed was not bad at all. I really had no steering wobble at high speed, although the steering does feel somewhat light. After the steering stabilizer installed, the scooter handling and steering now feels much more refined and smooth. I have to be honest with you, when I got to San Francisco and unloaded my scooter, I found out that my left hand brake cylinder was leaking oil and causes the rear brake to not work at all. Also, my speed throttle control trigger broke off completely with just the skin attached, but lucky I brought a Velcro tie and used it to put back the pieces together, hoping that it will hold for the rest of the day, and it really did. Now, if you were wondering how did the scooter broke down like this, well, it's because it got damaged during transportation inside of my trunk. The brake handle and the throttle trigger was hitting the back windshield. When I discovered these 2 issues, I was so disappointed and almost turned back, but thought about all the work that I put into coming down here. I decided to ride with conscience, knowing I have only the front disc brake working, plus the electric brake. Now, I got to tell you, the disc brake that came with the scooter is really no good. Without the electric brake, using only the disc brake will not hold at all. These disc brakes are really designed for the 10-11-inch scooter. At high speed, using only the disc brake will put me in the scooter in a lot of big trouble. But I was glad I still had the electric brake, and know I just had to be a lot more careful at braking hard. Oh wow, check out this biker, he's all over in the streets. There were times that my brakes did give out on me, especially going downhills, as you will see. If you were wondering, in worst case scenario, if I didn't have both disc brake, would I be able to ride and use only electric brake? Well, here is my experience. Even if I don't have any disc brake, the brake handles both have sensor inside for the electric brake. When the brake handle is pressed, the electric brake will be activated only to a certain rolling point before a complete stop. Once the electric brake is deactivated, the scooter is still rolling very slow, and this is why it is dangerous and not safe to ride with only electric brake. This happened to me many times where I had to literally step down to the ground with one foot trying to stop the scooter. And this scooter is not light, it is one heavy motor scooter. I already contacted the manufacturer and ordered a more heavy duty disc brake. Once I get it, I can show you and do a review, so if you are interested, you may order one for your scooter as well. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I am working to upload more episodes of my epic journey in San Francisco, so stay tuned. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them below and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching.